Hello programmers, hope you all are doing well. Someone asked me what is the best text editor for developers. In this video, I will share with you a side-by-side comparison between three of most popular ones out there, namely Atom, Sublime, Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. Let's start with Atom first. Atom is described as a hackable text editor for the 21st century. The package manager is installed by default, wherein all the packages are hosted on GitHub. The number of packages goes up to 6,452. In general, everything in Atom is rather smooth until you need to choose which additional package need to be installed when starting from scratch. I'm someone who often works on couple of files simultaneously, so the ability to set up split pane editing is must, which is supported by Atom. It also provides drag drop of file folder in tree view. Ability to customize an editor to match your development flow and style is essential, and it is easy to set up in Atom. Overall, Atom is a great tool, especially for those who want to customize their editor easily. The Atom Flight manual provides a great starting point for new users. The greatest downside for me would still be the performance issue, but for a free editor, it shines brightly. Secondly, we are going to talk about Visual Studio Code. It is a Microsoft's free text editor that runs on Windows, Linux and macOS. The basic and user-friendly pane structure where folders and files are organized appropriately. Visual Studio Code allows you to edit code in a wide variety of programming language from HTML, CSS to Python and C# via the extension marketplace. One of the classic exercises you will do when learning to program is to break some code and then try to fix it again. Thankfully, Visual Studio Code includes debugging functionality to help detect those errors before you reach the blurry eye stage. Microsoft has built a feature in Visual Studio Code called IntelliSense, which is an alternative to googling the problem. You can access a whole host of different completion through IntelliSense, including language server, suggestions, snippets, and word-based textual completions. It has other useful features that will help you through your coding journey. This includes support for snippets, go-to functionality, syntax highlighting, and more. Let's move ahead with Sublime. Sublime was developed by a former Google engineer in 2007. The first major difference between it and other editor is that it was paid, although it does have a free trial version. The latest version of Sublime Text is version 3. When you first open it, there is no sidebar, no options to search, as it focused layout to help you concentrate on coding. If you want to get the most out of Sublime, you will want to install extra plugins for extra functionality. Package control is similar to VS Extension Marketplace, but it isn't available out of the box. Moving to Command Palette, when you use Command Palette feature, you will be able to find and navigate your way to any command much quicker than if you have to go searching through menus for it. It has most of the functionalities in common with VS. Moving to the conclusion, the perfect comparison between text editor is a variable. It varies from user to user. Assuming now you know the differences and features of each text editor, now it is totally in your hands to choose your workspace. It is recommended to have a hands-on experience on text editors to explore more. For today, that is all. We will meet in next video with an interesting topic. Thanks for watching.